Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and this is from cranberryhair.com. This is a AliExpress company, so I will leave all of the information down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. So let's just get right into it. You guys, as you can see, I did receive, a couple of goodies, some lashes, and a care instruction paper. So this is the frontal. This is a 13x4 frontal, and this hair is Brazilian straight hair. I did receive 3 bundles, as you guys are seeing now. I just wanted to show you what the bundles look like, see what you get, and each bundle is 24 inches. So this is what the wig looks like once I was done sewing it, and I did put it on a dome cap. I don't know, you guys, I just really love the dome caps because they stretch. You can make them tighter if you want, depending on how you sew it. But yeah, hopefully one day in the future I will show you guys how I make my wigs. So this is what the wig looks like once I put it on my head, just to try it on. It's very, very snug. I made it very snug, and I absolutely love it. Now I did receive some tangling, just some, not a lot, and I received no shedding at all, and that is great considering I cut the wefts on this wig. Well, I cut the wefts on all of my wigs, but this one in particular, absolutely no shedding. As you guys can see, there is some baby hairs, but I love the wig. The parting space is amazing. Again, this is a 13x4 frontal, so you're going to get a lot of parting space all across the wig. So there you guys, you're seeing it for the first time, just like I'm seeing it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I cut the lace in the front. So just stay tuned, and yeah, that's it. So as you guys saw, the lace was super easy to cut, and I really like this hairline because it wasn't straight across. It did have some dips and grooves, so if you want to go back and check that part of the video out again, just to, look a little closer. Like I said, it has a lot of dips and grooves, like basically mimicking a real hairline. So I'm just wanting to see here what I wanted to do, if I wanted a side part, but I definitely wanted a middle part because, I don't know, the hair itself is absolutely beautiful. It gives me like Indian vibes. I believe this is, again, Brazilian straight hair, so it was really, really easy to manage. And I just wanted to show you girls how super easy it is to get your part straight. A lot of you wanted to know, how do I get my wigs to lay so flat? First off, you have to have your hair in either, you either have to have it braided back, or for me, I just have it all slicked back into a ponytail, but that's the foundation. And other than that, you just take your flat iron or your curling wand and just flatten out that parting space just on both sides, and you are good to go. So here I just added a little bit of foundation in the parting space, and that is it, you guys. That is all I had to do to this wig. I just went through it a little bit with the flat iron just to see just how straight it actually gets. And yeah, I really didn't need to do that, but it actually worked out, and the hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Kudos to how many times I say absolutely in this video. But anyway, if you guys like this video and if you're interested in this beautiful hair, please check down below in the description box. All of the information to Cranberry Hair will be down there, and let me know what you girls think or guys think about the hair. And yeah, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. Mm-hmm.